Okay, here's your Saxon Lesson 54. You're going to need the activity sheet and the worksheet that are stapled together inside of your baggie. It says activity sheet 54 at the top, and it looks like this. Okay, we are going to practice alphabetizing again today. We have two lists. We have list 1 and list 2. I need you to alphabetize the words on list 1. Alphabetize is when you put the words in order, in ABC order. Okay, so again, guys, if you look at it, these are a list by themselves, and this is another list by themselves. Okay, they're not together. For right now, we're going to work on this one. We're going to work on the G, W, O, D, Z, and L. Go ahead and number the lines next to it and put those letters in order, in ABC order. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, let's review what you've done. On list 1, you should have alphabetized those letters. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what letter goes first? Haney. D, as in dog. Very good. Leah, what comes next? I'm sorry? G, very good. Justin, what comes next? Oh, no. Dominic, what comes next? L. Mariah, what comes next? Huh? We already said L. What's number 4? We already said L. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Christian, what's next? W. And everyone, what's last? Z. Z. Very good. So if we look at the first list, your paper should look like this. I have it numbered 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have these letters in order, ABC order. Ms. Yusuf, why did you cross these out? Because as I use them, I cross them out so I know what I have left. That way it's easy for me to tell. Okay, now the second list, all I did was number the lines from 1 to 6. Now I need you to pause the video now so you can put these letters in ABC order. Pause the video now. Okay, boys and girls, let's look at list 2. What is the first letter? A. Very good. What's the next letter? Huh? F or I? Very good. F. Then what? I. Then what? Huh? M. There is no N. M. Okay, then what? Then what? Very good. Your paper should look like this. Okay? If you need more time, you can pause the video now. Okay, moving on. Now I need you, if you didn't get a chance to do that, that's fine. You can do it later. Oh. 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 I forgot. I think I forgot. How many papers do you guys have stapled together? Just 2, right? Okay, I'm sorry. I was a little confused for a second. I thought that I did not pass out the spelling high frequency word practice 54, but I did actually. It looks like this. So you need to take this paper out. On this paper, I need you to put your finger. I'm sorry. Hold on. On this paper, I need you to put your finger next to number 1, and we're going to practice spelling some of our old sight words. So next to number 1, I want you to write the word been. I have been there before. Number 2, spell the word bush. The rabbit is hiding in the bush. Number 3, spell the word does. She does go home. Number 4, spell the word full. The girl felt full after eating. Full. Number 5, spell the word goes. She goes home. Goes. All right, I'm going to stop there. Now I'm going to review what we've spelled. Number 1, Ben, B-E-N-N. 2, Bush, B-U-S-H. 3, does, D-O-E-S. 4, full, F-U-L-L. 5, goes, G-O-E-S. Number 6, pull. Pull, do not push. Pull. How do you spell it? P-U-L-L. Number 7, push. How do you spell it? P-U-S-H. Number 8, put. Put that back. Put. How do you spell it? P-U-T. Number 9, says. She says she's happy. S-A-Y-S. And number 10, want. I want water. Want. How do you spell want? W-A-N-T. W-A-N-T. Very good. Your paper should look like this. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. Okay, so now after writing down those 10 words, let's go ahead and write the sentence. So we're going to write out loud first. So I'm going to show you and you're going to do it after me and then we'll write it, okay? Take the milk to the cats in the barn. Period. Mirror. Take the milk to the cats in the barn. Period. Okay, now write it down. You can pause the video now. Write it down. Take the milk to the cats in the barn. Okay, so when you're done, your paper should look like this. The T needs to be capital. Take the milk to the cats in the barn, period. Your paper should look like that. Okay, now let's read these words that I have written on the board behind me. Let's read them together. Any, by, done, every, many, none, only, people, trouble, very. These words are some more of those words in the English language that are hard to spell and to read because they do not follow the rules we have been learning. These words are called what? Sight words. Good job. I have some cards for these words to add to our sight word deck. We'll practice and play games with these cards as often as we can, so we will learn them by sight. So that's why they're called sight words. You learn them by seeing them. All right, so here's our new sight words. Repeat. Any, by, done, every, many, none, only, people, trouble, very. Awesome, good job, thank you. Okay, now let's look at our worksheet 54, or I'm sorry, not the worksheet, on the back of this sheet that we wrote the words on. Let's read those words that are on the back together. By, any, none, done, only, many, every, people. So I need you today. Yesterday I gave you the option to write a story or do sentences. Today I'm not giving you an option because everybody yesterday took the easy option. Most of you guys. I was surprised. So today I'm giving you all the harder option. I want you to write a story, but it's not hard because I'm only going to ask you to use 3 of these words. So you're going to write a story, not a sentence, but a story using 3 of these words. Okay? When you are done, you are going to work on the worksheet and homework 54. It's very simple. You just read and answer the questions. Very simple. Okay, that's all you're doing today for Saxon. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you turn it into the Google Classroom, okay? All right, I'll see you later.